Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm recording from Harrah's Atlantic City Waterfront Tower. Let's take a look at this complimentary king bed room on a high floor. Start with the bathroom. Walking into the room, you can see a very big and bright mirror in the center. To the right, it's a walk-in shower. See inside, a little bit of a bench area in the back, a place in the wall for shampoo, soap, and more, and the shower head. Very big shower with the glass door opening. Still have individual items, shampoo, body lotion, soap, and more. On this side, no tubes just yet built into the walls. Large sink area, side mirror, probably for makeup, and lots of towels at the bottom. The toilet is in a separate room that has its own door. So you have the main bathroom area, the toilet, and the shower separately. Coming into the main room, see a mirror here in front of the bathroom and lots of space where I put my luggage. Large space over here with a television on the side. Coffee maker included, not plugged in at the moment, cord wrapped around, and the various coffee in the middle. And a proper desk for a laptop. Have the laptop on the chair. At the moment, not yet plugged in. Lighting on the desk, lots of plugs on this side. An advertisement for The Hook, a show at Caesars, Atlantic City, and some extra plugs on this side. Hit a button and the plugs come up. So cool use of desk space here. Some art on the walls, and we'll pan to the side to have a side table, perhaps for food, drinks, other items, and two side chairs, not just one. Two nightstands on the side of this king bed. It's nice to have a big shelf on the side and lots of outlets. See some lighting to have the above lighting as well, in addition to the side lighting. You see the pier, the boardwalk art up ahead, Ferris wheel, classic Atlantic City. This tower, Waterfront Tower, was recently renovated a few years ago, so I generally like staying here as it's more modern with the plugs. Very spacious. See the other nightstand. There's also this multi-prong plug here attached to the phone. Not the fastest at charging, but some extra options. I'm here for a 4-night comp stay with my Caesars status and past play of video poker during promotions and online blackjack, and using the Caesars Rewards credit card, recently upgraded to the Prestige card. See a view, if you can, of night. I can see Ocean, not to be confused with Ocean's Casino. There's no S. Can see the Pearl at the top, Golden Nugget right ahead, and Borgata and the MGM Tower in the back. Get another shot of the room coming around on the other side. Desk with a laptop, the king bed, space for the luggage, and more. Controls on the wall for the air conditioning. Closet space on this side. Ironing board, iron, lots of hangers, and a separate area you can put your luggage as well, instead of just putting it on the floor like I did, but no problem there. There is a 10 times tier credit multiplier this week, so I'm going to be getting a lot of tier credits. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Harrah's Atlantic City Waterfront Tower.